And welcome back. What's better on a cold day than a hot dish? Hot, spicy dish. So today we're going to be adding this to our dish. This is nira, or garlic chives. We're going to be adding it to some pork and making an amazing stir fry. So let's get started with豚肉とニラ炒め.
So all we're going to need for this recipe is 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We have got 1 tablespoon of mirin and cooking sake and 2 tablespoons of shoyu. We have a clove of garlic, dried cayenne pepper, and then we have this, which is the garlic chives, or the nira. We're just going to cut off the root like this, and we're going to try and cut this into 3 parts evenly, about 5 centimeters or so. I like to just balance it up like this and cut it up, and then we're good to go. We're going to put this off to the side, and then we'll use that later after we're done cooking our pork. So let's just try and clean up our cutting board, and then let's move on to the next thing, which is our dried pepper. And keep the seeds, that's where all the capsaicin is, and that's where your heat's gonna be. And we wanna make this a little bit spicy, so we're just gonna put all of the seeds and everything into our dish today. So this is our pork. I have shoulder today, but you can use any cut of pork. Just make sure it's thinly sliced. It's stir fry, so it's gonna be really quick. All right, and then we've got our garlic. So we're gonna use a press today and just make this really simple. All right, so in our pan, we've heated up some sesame oil, and then I'm just gonna press the garlic through here. Just make this quick, and then we're just gonna fry up our garlic a little bit, and after that, we're gonna add our pork. So I have some saibashi, which is just cooking chopsticks. I have a lot more control with these, and then we're just gonna add our pork in, and then just make sure to brown it. It's gonna be really fast too. All right, so now that our pork is browned, we wanna add all of our other ingredients in. So we're gonna put our mirin and our ryorishu in. We're gonna put our soy sauce or shoyu in, and we're gonna put our oyster sauce in too. And oyster sauce is a lot like Worcestershire sauce, but it's a little bit thicker and it's a little bit sweeter. We're also gonna put our pepper in, and we're just gonna cook this up a little bit and make sure everything's coated and all of our flavors are incorporated into our meat. After we've done that, we're gonna put our nira right on top. And we're gonna steam the nira a little bit. We wanna make this nira a little bit soft. It looks like grass, it has the consistency of grass, and we don't want that. We wanna make this nice and soft for our stir fry. It'll only take a couple minutes, and once you're done, it should look just like this.
All right, so we finished cooking it, and I put a little extra pepper on top to make it a little spicier. If it's too spicy, just don't put as much pepper on it. If the taste is too bold, just reduce the oyster sauce a little bit. But let's give it a shot. It's good. Lots of flavor. All right, enjoy cooking this. See you next time.
And as always, thanks again for watching. Remember, please hit that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and enjoy cooking garlic chives and pork. I'll see you next time.